Hi, good morning students. So we are back again and today I am going to teach you lesson the deep water. Why I emphasize the water deep? Because in order to enhance the depth of the water. Now as you may be knowing that many people have water phobia, fear of water, you know when they go to learn swimming they cannot learn because they always feel that they are going to drown into the water. And just imagine that you have gone on a holiday with your parents and you are going on a cruise to some place, and if somebody throws you into the middle of the sea, how you will be feeling. So this story almost deals with the same kind of experience that the author Douglas, the narrator, has shared with us in this deep water. Okay. Now Douglas, right from his early childhood, had a water phobia. When he was hardly 3 to 4 years old, he had been to the seaside with his father, and one of the big waves threw him and he went on rolling in the water, and that had left a very fearful feeling in his mind, that which a phobia in his mind which he could not come out of. Okay, so water was always scary for him. When he was about 10 years old, he went to the YMCA pool. He actually wanted to go to the Yakima River for swimming, but his mother was very apprehensive and kept on telling him all the misadventures that had taken place, and so many people have drowned in Yakima River. But when he went to the YMCA pool, he felt that swimming will not be so difficult in YMCA pool because the shallow part was only 3 to 4 feet deep, whereas the farthest end was 9 feet deep. Now, he used to wait for the other boys to come to the swimming pool, and he used to got a pair of water wings, and then he jumped into the water and he used to copy the other children and started swimming. One fine afternoon, what happened? A misadventure took place. A hurly-burly 18-year-old boy came to the swimming pool. There was no one and he was waiting for others to join in, where an author was very lean and thin, and this boy was very muscular and heavy, and he just wanted to play a prank on the author, and he tell that how about going for a dive. Then he picked up author and threw him into the pool, and which was, I mean, before even he could realize, he was